Hi, I'm Mark from PlatinumLED Therapy Lights, and today we'd like to make you a quick video to show you the operation and hanging of our new BIOMAX series light. As you can see here, we have our BIOMAX 600 and our hanging accessories. First, let's talk quickly about the usage and hanging of the light. As you can see on the back side, we have our main power switch, as well as our master and slave switches, which is used only for connecting multiple lights. This red master switch controls the master power of the light. Obviously 1 is on and 0 is off. This black switch is the master and slave control for the light. If you're using the light all by itself, or if it's the master for a series of lights, leave it in the 0 position. If it's a slave light, meaning controlled by a master light, then you would flip it in the 1 position and only then. So to hang a single light, simply start with it on 0 and the power off. All right. Next comes the actual hanging of the light. So the first part of the installation is going to be to simply take our door hook and place it on the back of any bathroom or bedroom door. Just slip it right on and it rests easily. The second thing we're going to do is make sure that our cable hanging system is attached. Now, if you'll note, the cable hanger actually has 2 threaded posts that are screwed in to this cable hanger. First, screw the hanger onto the post, then take the post and put 1 each in the top of the light. The top of the light is up by the digital control panel where you'll see 2 threaded holes. One side goes in one side, the other in the next. Next, we're going to take our ratchet hanger and we're going to attach it to the door post. Now, if you notice, the ratchet hanger has 2 ends, one that's simply looped and one that is the actual ratchet assembly. We'll take the simply looped end and we'll place it on the door hook, like so, and let this hang. Now, to operate this ratchet hanger, it's very simple. To go up, you just pull on this end to raise it. To lower it, there's a tab which you push down on and this will lower it. Very simple. Raise and lower. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll raise it up to about there, and now we're going to hook the light onto the ratchet. To do this, the best way to do it is with 2 people. If you don't have 2 people, a simple chair will work. Let's show you the chair method. All right, what we've done is use a chair to simply set the light on, and we put it right up against the place where we're going to hang the light. We take our ratchet hanger and we release it out to where the light is, very easily. Next, we simply just hook the light onto the ratchet hanger. Next, take the cord and tighten it to the point that it's taut. Now you can release the light and let it simply hang. There you go, you have a hung light. To raise the light, all we're going to do is pull up and on the cord at the same time. This will allow you to raise the light to whatever position you wish. Now we're going to go ahead and connect the power to our light and turn it on. To do this, we're going to use our main black power cord that's included with the kit. We're going to go ahead and plug it in to the slot on the back. At this time, go ahead and turn the main red power switch on. This will then activate the panel and it will start to warm up. Once it goes through this warm-up period, you'll see that you have 2 different selections, both the time that you'd wish the light to stay on, as well as which array you'd like to use. You can use the red only, or the NAR+, or you can use them both together. To do this, simply press the menu button to scroll between the timing or the array selection menu. To do the array selection, simply put the cursor over the red infrared, press the plus and minus to make the check marks next to the arrays you'd like to use. Red light only, infrared light, or both together for both check marks. Once you have that selected, simply press the menu button to go to the timing function. From here, you can scroll down from 20 all the way to 0, where the light will automatically turn off at your given time interval. Go ahead and select as many as you like, and then press the OK button 1 time. The light will pause and then turn on. That's simple. Now, to go back and enter the function and turn the light off, simply press the OK button 1 time. Then press the menu button. This will bring you back to the menu. From there, you can choose whatever selection you wish. To return, simply press OK 1 more time. And there you have it.